Welcome to Weirder Things, the show that explores the strange, the unknown, and the just plain odd. My guest tonight back for the fourth time, and his chickens have been helping all of us rediscover the story of Easter. Please welcome back Ernie Portnoy. Ernie, it's great to see you again.
I don't know, Arlene. I keep hoping my chickens will go back to laying regular eggs. I mean, this is getting ridiculous. I've got a dozen eggs I can't eat. A dozen!
But they have such a great message for you and for everyone.
I sure hope you're right about that. Take a look what Betsy laid.
Look at that! It's a piece of cloth.
I know, strange, isn't it? And here's the one that Cindy laid. A rock! Yeah, a rock. Made me feel like poor Charlie Brown at Halloween. And then Snowflake topped them all. Check this out.
I don't see anything.
I know. Exactly. Or should I say, exactly? You know, we went almost 4 weeks without them making that joke.
I know, and holding it back was excruciating.
Should have seen that one coming. Ernie, you egghead. Oh, there I go. Now I'm doing it.
Ernie, if it makes you feel better, I think we can assume your chickens will go back to laying their normal eggs tomorrow.
How do you know?
Because they finally brought us to the end of the story.
You mean I get to hear about what happens to Jesus?
Yes, Ernie, you do. You see, after Jesus died, he was wrapped in cloth like this. And he was buried in a tomb, a rock like this one, only larger, of course, was rolled in front of the tomb to seal him in.
I thought you said this was a happy ending.
It is a happy ending, Ernie. Just look at that last egg.
Look at what? There's nothing in there.
And there's nothing in the tomb where Jesus was buried either.
What do you mean?
What do you mean? I mean, he is risen. Jesus rose from the grave and conquered death so that he could give us new life. If we believe in Jesus, we will receive the gift of eternal life.
That's incredible. Jesus didn't stay dead. He beat death.
And because he lived, he can live forever. We can live forever with him.
That is some great news.
Ernie, I hope your chickens will go back to laying normal eggs tomorrow. But I am thankful for the message they shared with you and with all of our viewers. We'll see you next time on Weirder Things.